नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम है आपका हमारे YouTube चैनल पर। और इस YouTube चैनल पर आपको मिलती हैं शॉर्ट हैंड डिक्टेशंस, फ्रेजेस और आउटलाइंस। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकन को ज़रूर हिट करें, क्योंकि जो भी डिक्टेशन यहाँ पर डाली जाएंगी, अपलोड की जाएंगी, उसका नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपके पास पहुँच जाए। इसलिए बेल आइकन को हिट ज़रूर करें। दोस्तों, अब जो हम डिक्टेशन लिखने वाले हैं इसकी स्पीड है 120 वर्ड पर मिनट। इससे पहले भी 2 स्पीड्स में डिक्टेशंस अपलोड कर दी गई हैं इसी मैटर पर, जो थी 80 वर्ड पर मिनट और 100 वर्ड पर मिनट। तो दोस्तों, अब शुरू करते हैं। 5 सेकंड में हम शुरू करेंगे। 5 सेकंड्स। मिस्टर डेप्यूटी चेयरमैन सर, for the last 3 years, we had no import of cereals. The minister was good enough to answer these questions, but they are not convincing. And Mr. Deputy Chairman, this is happening particularly at a time when the balance of trade is so adverse to us, and I think the House knows about it. The adverse balance, the trade deficit in 1996 to 97 was of the order of rupees 5,000 crores, the highest in the economic history of this country, and the credit goes to the ruling party. If the ruling party would like the present government to claim the credit for that, I have no objection. There were about rupees 12,000 crores of imports as against only rupees 7,000 crores of exports. With such a large trade deficit in 1986 to 87, Mr. Deputy Chairman, what was the provocation to import wheat? Para. The government have claimed that the sugar production had gone up to 52 lakh tons from some 38 or 39 lakh tons, while claiming actual increase of production by 21% in oil seeds. Why do we still import edible oil? Then you know, Mr. Deputy Chairman, in the last 4 years we have imported more than rupees 2,000 crores worth of edible oil, and it was not so earlier. From 1982 to 83, we have been importing edible oil, and I think last year we had imported more than rupees 650 crores worth of edible oil. We can understand import of crude oil. We always take shelter under the international inflation as though that is being imported through the crude oil. We are importing almost everything at a time when there was a much greater trade deficit of rupees 5,000 crores. In one of the questions raised in the Lok Sabha, the finance minister answered that the reserves have come down to less than rupees 1,100 crores, which at one time went up to over rupees 5,000 crores. In fact, our balance of payment position was being sustained by the remittances mostly and the invisible receipts, and from the Indians working abroad by their remittances. I think we should be very grateful to them that they have allowed our balance of payment position to be kept up in favor of and not adverse. But those reserves have been drawn, and now they have come down to less than rupees 1,100 crores just now. Thank you.